Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AUTOGEN car jump starter, 6000 amp, 12 volt, socket portable battery jumper starter with jumper cables kit. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: unbeatable power. AUTOGEN 6000 amp is designed for heavy duty. It delivers 6000 amp plus to ensure the successful jump start of your 12-volt vehicles even in cold winter. All-gas engine and up to 10-liter diesel engine. Boost start a dead car battery with only one simple press. Safety first. Thanks to its large capacity battery and patented mistake-proof connection, the battery holds a charge longer and is less to be drained out or damaged. Professional-grade copper clamps are 1/2 larger, 100% copper cables, all designed for high power output delivery in no time. Built-in 12-volt DC outlet, it works as a compact portable 12-volt DC power bank, battery charger for your automotive products. No extra cable needed. Quick charge 3.0 and micro USB ports, 75% faster when charging smartphones or tablets, and save 1/2 time for the recharge. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.